Future trend. 9. Market transformation. Personalized products and Planetary Health dairy markets from 2025 to 2040 will be transformed by personalized nutrition based on individual health profiles, planetary health considerations, and new distribution systems serving both traditional and emerging consumer segments while creating entirely new product categories and value propositions. Personalized nutrition revolution will create unprecedented market segmentation and value creation opportunities. Health match products will provide dairy formulated for individual genetic profiles and health conditions through advanced biotechnology that tailors nutritional composition to specific health needs and genetic predispositions. Genetic analysis will identify individual nutritional requirements based on genetic variants that affect nutrient metabolism, disease susceptibility, and optimal nutrition profiles, enabling truly personalized nutrition recommendations. Biomarker integration will use continuous health monitoring data to adjust product formulations for individual metabolic status, activity levels, and health goals, creating dynamic nutrition that adapts to changing needs. Precision therapeutics will provide medical-grade dairy products targeting specific health issues including diabetes management, cardiovascular health, cognitive function, and immune system support. Pharmaceutical integration will create dairy products that deliver medications and nutraceuticals in optimized formats that improve absorption and patient compliance while providing nutritional benefits. Chronic disease management will enable dairy products specifically formulated for conditions like arthritis, osteoporosis, and metabolic syndrome that provide targeted nutrition alongside standard medical treatments. Preventive nutrition will create products designed to prevent diseases based on genetic predisposition and risk factors, enabling proactive health management through nutrition. Performance optimization will include products enhancing cognitive function, athletic performance, and longevity through specialized nutritional profiles that support specific performance goals. Cognitive enhancement will provide dairy products formulated with nutrients that support brain health, memory, and mental performance for aging populations and high-performance applications. Athletic nutrition will create products optimized for different sports and training regimens that provide precise nutrition timing and composition for optimal performance and recovery. Longevity nutrition will focus on cellular health and aging processes through products formulated with nutrients that support healthy aging and extend healthy lifespan. Real-time customization will adjust products based on continuous health monitoring data from wearable devices and health assessments, creating nutrition that responds to immediate physiological needs. Planetary health markets will create premium positioning for products that support both human and environmental health. Carbon-negative premiums will command 20 to 50% price premiums for verified carbon-negative dairy products that actively remove carbon from the atmosphere while providing nutrition. Life cycle transparency will provide consumers with complete environmental impact information, enabling informed choices that support environmental goals while meeting nutritional needs. Climate-positive positioning will market products that contribute to climate solutions through regenerative agriculture, carbon sequestration, and emission reduction technologies. Environmental certification will provide third-party verification of environmental benefits that enables premium pricing and preferred market positioning. Regenerative certification will provide third-party verification of positive environmental impact through farming practices that improve soil health, biodiversity, and ecosystem function. Soil health verification will document improvements in soil carbon, microbial diversity, and ecosystem function that result from regenerative farming practices. Biodiversity certification will verify positive impacts on wildlife habitat, pollinator, support, and ecosystem health that justify premium pricing and environmental positioning. Water stewardship certification will document water conservation, quality improvement, and watershed protection that provides environmental value alongside nutritional benefits. Ecosystem services recognition will enable consumers to support broader environmental benefits including flood control, wildlife habitat, and carbon sequestration through purchasing decisions. Technology-enabled distribution will revolutionize how dairy products reach consumers and create new customer relationships. Blockchain-enabled farm-to-table relationships will provide complete transparency and traceability that builds consumer trust and enables premium positioning. Supply chain transparency will document every step from farm to consumer, enabling verification of quality, sustainability, and authenticity claims that support premium pricing. Direct producer-consumer relationships will eliminate intermediaries while building customer loyalty and enabling farmers to capture more value from their products. Smart contracts will automate transactions and ensure contract compliance while reducing transaction costs and enabling rapid payment systems. Subscription services will provide personalized dairy delivery based on health monitoring and preferences through AI-driven recommendation systems that optimize nutrition for individual needs. Automated reordering will ensure continuous supply of personalized products based on consumption patterns and health data without requiring consumer intervention. Customized delivery schedules will optimize freshness and convenience while reducing packaging waste and transportation costs through route optimization. Preference learning will continuously improve product recommendations based on consumer feedback and consumption patterns to enhance satisfaction and loyalty. Three-dimensional food printing will enable on-demand production of custom dairy products in retail and home settings, creating completely customized products that were previously impossible to produce. Personalized production will create unique products for individual consumers based on health data, taste preferences, and nutritional requirements. Reduced distribution costs will eliminate traditional supply chain costs while enabling production closer to consumption points for improved freshness and reduced environmental impact. Novel product forms will enable creation of dairy products with structures and compositions impossible through traditional manufacturing methods. Virtual reality marketing will provide immersive farm experiences that connect consumers with production while building emotional connections to farming practices, animal welfare, and environmental stewardship. Farm tours and educational experiences will enable consumers to understand production methods and build appreciation for farming practices without physical travel to farm locations. Transparent production storytelling will connect consumers with farmers and farming practices through immersive experiences that build trust and justify premium pricing. Interactive educational content will help consumers understand the connection between farming practices and product benefits, building support for sustainable production methods. Emerging market segments will create entirely new categories of dairy consumption and value creation. Functional foods market will combine nutrition with pharmaceutical benefits through products that provide targeted health outcomes alongside traditional nutritional value. Medical nutrition therapy will create dairy products prescribed by healthcare professionals for specific health conditions and treatment protocols. Nutraceutical integration will combine dairy nutrition with proven health-promoting compounds to create products that bridge food and medicine. Clinical validation will provide scientific evidence for health claims that enables medical professional recommendations and insurance reimbursement possibilities. Elderly nutrition will offer specialized products for aging populations with specific health needs, including bone health, cognitive function, and immune system support. Swallowing disorders management will create products with modified textures and enhanced nutrition for populations with difficulty consuming traditional dairy products. Medication compatibility will ensure that products interact positively with common medications used by elderly populations while providing optimal nutrition. Social connection enhancement will create products and consumption experiences that address social isolation issues common in elderly populations. Space nutrition will develop products for extreme environments, including space exploration, military applications, and disaster relief situations that require long-term storage and optimal nutrition. Extended shelf life will create products that maintain nutritional value and safety for years without refrigeration, while providing complete nutrition in challenging environments. Extreme portability will design products that minimize weight and volume while maximizing nutritional value for applications where space and weight are critical constraints. Stress adaptation will formulate products that help humans adapt to extreme physical and psychological stress conditions through targeted nutrition support. Synthetic biology integration will create entirely new product categories through engineered biological systems. Lab-grown dairy components will supplement traditional dairy with precisely engineered proteins, fats, and bioactive compounds that provide enhanced functionality. Designer proteins will create dairy proteins with improved functionality, shelf life, and nutritional profiles that exceed natural dairy proteins in specific applications. Enhanced bioactivity will engineer dairy components with enhanced health-promoting properties that provide superior nutrition and health benefits. Novel functionality will create dairy ingredients with properties impossible in natural systems, enabling new product categories and applications. Cellular agriculture integration will combine traditional dairy with lab-grown components to create hybrid products that optimize cost, sustainability, and functionality. Cost optimization will use cellular agriculture for expensive or environmentally intensive components while using traditional dairy for bulk nutrition. Sustainability optimization will minimize environmental impact while maintaining nutritional value and consumer acceptance through strategic use of cellular and traditional components. Quality enhancement will combine the best aspects of traditional and cellular approaches to create products with superior quality and functionality. International market expansion will create global opportunities for premium dairy products that meet emerging market demands for quality, sustainability, and health benefits. Emerging market development will create new consumption categories in developing countries as economic development increases demand for premium dairy products. Cultural adaptation will create products that meet local taste preferences and cultural requirements while providing global sustainability and health benefits. Export optimization will develop products specifically designed for international markets that maintain quality during extended shipping while meeting diverse regulatory requirements. Trade facilitation will use technology and certification to streamline international trade while maintaining quality and safety standards across different regulatory environments. Digital commerce evolution will transform how consumers discover, evaluate, and purchase dairy products. Augmented reality shopping will enable consumers to visualize nutritional content, environmental impact, and production methods before purchasing decisions. Nutritional visualization will show how products contribute to individual health goals and nutritional requirements through personalized nutrition analysis. Environmental impact assessment will provide real-time evaluation of environmental consequences of purchasing decisions to support sustainable consumption choices. Production transparency will connect consumers directly with farms and farming practices through digital experiences that build trust and justify premium. Pricing artificial intelligence personal assistants will provide personalized shopping recommendations based on health goals, dietary preferences, environmental values, and budget considerations. Predictive purchasing will anticipate consumer needs based on consumption patterns, health data, and lifestyle factors to enable automated reordering and optimized nutrition. Health optimization will continuously analyze diet and health data to recommend dairy products that optimize individual health outcomes and goals. Budget optimization will identify best value products that meet nutritional and quality requirements while respecting budget constraints and financial goals. Social impact integration will enable consumers to support social and environmental goals through purchasing decisions. Fair trade expansion will ensure that farmers receive appropriate compensation for sustainable and ethical production practices. Producer profit sharing will create direct financial benefits for farmers who implement sustainable and ethical practices that benefit consumers and environment. Community development will support rural communities through purchasing decisions that contribute to economic development and community sustainability. Social justice integration will address labor conditions, community impacts, and social equity through transparent supply chains and ethical business practices. Environmental advocacy will enable consumers to support environmental causes through purchasing decisions that fund conservation and sustainability projects. Carbon offset integration will allow consumers to neutralize or reverse their environmental impact through purchasing decisions that support carbon removal and emission reduction projects. Conservation funding will use portion of product sales to support wildlife conservation, habitat restoration, and biodiversity protection projects. Research support will fund agricultural research and development that advances sustainability, animal welfare, and health benefits through consumer purchasing decisions. Market structure evolution will create new business models and industry relationships. Direct-to-consumer expansion will enable farmers to capture more value while building direct customer relationships that support premium positioning and customer loyalty. Producer cooperatives will enable small and medium farms to compete with large operations through shared marketing, distribution, and processing capabilities. Platform economics will create digital marketplaces that connect consumers directly with producers while providing services like quality assurance, logistics, and payment processing. Subscription models will provide steady revenue streams for producers while ensuring consistent supply and convenience for consumers through automated ordering and delivery systems. Value chain integration will create partnerships between producers, processors, distributors, and retailers that optimize value creation and distribution throughout the supply chain. Vertical integration will enable control over entire value chain from production through retail to ensure quality, sustainability, and customer satisfaction. Technology partnerships will combine agricultural expertise with technology capabilities to create innovative products and services that benefit all value chain participants. Data sharing agreements will enable value chain optimization through shared information that improves efficiency and responsiveness while protecting competitive advantages. Key insight: by 2040, personalized and planet-positive products will command 40 to 70% premium pricing while representing 30 to 50% of total dairy market value. This transformation will create market opportunities for farmers who invest in personalization capabilities, environmental stewardship, and direct customer relationships while maintaining excellence in traditional dairy quality and safety. Success will require combining technological sophistication with authentic farming values and transparent communication that builds consumer trust and willingness to pay premiums for superior products and environmental benefits.